But today we'll be looking at these Morrisons colour hood 440 watt equivalent filament LED light bulbs. Now these light bulbs are designed for an oven. However, I'm going to be using them in a desk lamp, which I'm getting soon, because these actually are pretty bright. Test these already, as you guys can see. It's the packaging. As you see, it's 40 watt equivalent, and what's interesting about these is they actually have an E rating, even though they're LEDs or the EL. The nice thing about these is also there's no flicker as well. Produced in China, we know. Let's look at one of these then. I've already opened the packaging, so we can have a look at one of the bulbs. And here we are. Here is one of the bulbs. Pyrex construction, because these are designed to go in an oven. But these could also be used in like a refrigerator, a small lamp or something like that. So there's the etch. I don't usually pick up LED bulbs, but these are pretty interesting, so. For unblur. Unblur. Come on. Focus. Focus. By the way, these are non-dimmable, so I'm not going to attempt to dim these. There, it's focused. And we lost focus again. Right, here's the etch again. Morrisons. Focus again. Stop losing focus on the actual bulb itself. This thing's a piece of... Do you not know how hard is it to focus? Come on. Come on. You guys saw it's focusing on the screen. Focus, god damn it. Focus. You piece of word I can't use. It's like focusing on everything but apart from what I need to focus on. There we go. Morrisons 4 watt 32 milliamp hours, 2700 Kelvin, 24 made in week 27 or 2024, 220 volts for 240 volts AC, 50 hertz, not dimmable, made in China. There's the top of the bulb, and you've got your CE mark and your KCA marks. This was made after 2023. No, 2021, sorry. So after the regular. There's the bulb that was in there, some flickery pile of ultra bright garbage. And now we're going to screw in the Morrisons bulb. And believe it or not, but when I turn it on, it's going to surprise you. It looks really weird in this lamp, but let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. That's right, there is no flicker or banding at all on these lights. There's no flicker. That's what it looks like from the top. And it's actually throwing out a decent light source. I'm going to turn the light off. Turn the light off here. It actually gives off a really cozy, pleasant glow. These are like incandescent quality lights. It's giving off a nice, even glow. And yeah, these are nice bulbs. So there you have it. That's a set of 2 cooker hood, Morrisons cooker hood, Appliance light bulbs. Thanks for watching this video and see ya.